In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate images using Google Gemini app on mobile. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn a simple idea into a visual using just a short prompt and a couple of taps. First, open the Gemini app on your phone. Give it a moment to load so everything is ready. A stable internet connection helps the process run smoothly, especially when you're working with image generation. Once you're in, look for the search bar at the top of the screen. This is where you'll type your prompt, the short description of what you want Gemini to create. Think of a prompt as clear instructions you give to the app. The more specific and focused your words are, the closer the image will match your idea. For example, instead of just saying sunset, you can add useful details like mood, colors, or setting. But even a simple prompt works great. Now, I'll type a prompt so you can see how it comes together. In the search bar, I'll write, "Create an image of a sunset." That's it. Short, direct, and easy to understand. You can choose to include extra details if you want, like warm orange and pink tones, clouds on the horizon, or a calm ocean view. Adding details like these is optional, but it can help guide the style and composition. After you've written your prompt, press Enter on your keyboard. On mobile, that might look like a small arrow or return button, depending on your device. This tells Gemini to start working on your request. Now, wait patiently while the app generates the image based on your prompt. You might see a loading indicator for a few moments. How long it takes can vary depending on your connection and the complexity of what you asked for. Keeping the app open and letting it finish is the best way to make sure you get a clean result. When it's done, your image will appear on the screen, reflecting the idea you described. If you typed, "Create an image of a sunset," you'll see a sunset scene generated from your words. This process is all about using the search bar to communicate your vision and letting Gemini do the creative work behind the scenes. That's all there is to it. Open the Gemini app, type your prompt in the search bar, press Enter, and wait for the image to be generated. Try a few different prompts to explore how your wording shapes the results, and enjoy bringing your ideas to life.